Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a new query which says write a program that receives two parameters x and n and returns the nth root of x, i.e. x 1 by n. Actually, where I got the query, it was subscripted, but right here is not. So, okay, what we simply have to do is x to the power of 1 by n. That's what the question wants to tell you. So we can write a program, or we can either write a function or a program. So it would be easier to write a function, but first I'm going to show you how to write a program in there, and then we're just gonna compile it as a function. So for example, let's take as x equals int input, which will ask the number you want to get the nth root of. Then n. Value of n. Simply, that's simply okay. Rather than using an int function, we can use a float one. It would be more accurate while using it. Float. Then what we are gonna do is that we will just simply print x multiplied by 1 by n, and we can round this. We can, for example, take 6 here, and we can take the value of 2, so 24495. Now if we use that in our calculator, example, we chose 6 to the power of 1 by 2. So if I check it, it's actually pretty much the same value right here. It's 2.449489, so it got rounded off to 2.4495. Okay, let's move on. If we have to make a function out of that, then what we can do is even a simpler one. We don't have to get the input right here, or we can take the input of a, but what we're going to do here would be pretty much easier. We just define the function as, for example, nthroot, and then we just take x comma n, then just enter to print or return, because usually functions return the value rather than printing them. So yeah, that's all. That's a pretty much good function right there. And then if I call the function right here, for example, print 6, 2, print the nth root of 6, 2. I didn't notice. Yeah, the answer is going to be the same. Hope you guys liked my video. Do share and subscribe my channel. Meet you guys in the next one. Any queries? Ask me in the comments.